Hi, my name is Ted Schick. I'm a volunteer for Wildwoods. I had the pleasure and privilege today of releasing 10 animals for Wildwoods, 3 mallards and 7 cottontails. This is where we're going to release them, in this bay. Okay, now we're going to do eastern cottontails. This is a box full of bunnies. So I picked this area because it's a lot of aspen back here, and there's a lot of undergrowth, and there's also down this path and to the right a small pond which will give these cottontails some access to water. There are some snowshoe hare in here as well. When I walk in here in the winter, I can see signs, but both species can coexist. It's kind of an unboxing here. I can't remember what Val said. She told me 6 or 7. Cottontails in here. Let's take a look at them. It's just too much. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. So Val was right. There's 7. Maybe we should do this. Let's do this gently. I think I'm ready to go. This one doesn't quite want to go. Oh my goodness. Be free. Be free, eastern cottontails. Oh, they're all taking it all in. Aren't they beautiful? Okay. You too. Something that can get lost on such a wonderful day is just how much time, work, and resources it takes just to get these 10 animals to release date. Here's an example. And none of this happens without the support that you give Wildwoods every day. So thank you. You too.